What's happening, man? I don't have dead for the sounds of Saturday here on WROB. Man, I'm telling you, it's gonna be so awesome. It's nothing but total metal maniacs. Slayer, Pantera. I mean, all the hardcore heavy metal shit you can think of, man. Hey, man, can you? No? Who's that guy? Do you work there? No? So anyway, man, back to it. Man, thanks for tuning in here on WROB. The sounds of Saturday, man. This is gonna be totally fucking rocking. I'm like so stoked, man. So stoked. Man, totally want to welcome our first guest, which is such an honor. It's just none other than Robbie Bobby from the Robbie Bobby Gypsy Show, man. So what's happening, man? Thanks for coming in. This is totally awesome. What's going on with everything you're doing? Man, Half Dead, what is happening, brother? We are here on that Sounds of Saturday show, and this could not be any better here on WROB. So, Half Dead, I am excited to be here. I know you got a load of the Metal Maniac tours coming through, all the news, all the shows. And man, Robbie, Bobby, you are correct, bro. We're talking shows all throughout the summer, man. These guys are gonna be kicking up everything. Hey, man, can you? Who's that guy, man? Well, anyway, thanks for nothing, bruh. So, man, I am Half Dead. Welcome to the Sounds of Saturday, and we're totally going to start kicking this off with obviously the one, the only fucking Slayer, right, Bobby? I know you're a big fucking Slayer fan. Got it tattooed on your arm, and on the back of your fucking teeth, you got a tattoo on the back of his fucking neck. Guys, insane. But make sure you check out the Right Bobby Show. And they do have the new Facebook page where you can find me, Half Dead, and the Sounds of Saturday. So after this, man, let's just kick it off. Robbie Bobby, you got anything else you want to add, man? Hey, pass me that beer, bro. Half Dead, man, I do have something to add, Max, and that. So, don't forget our other shows, Afternoon Light with Cabin Fever, Old School Hour, Stud and Frank DJ Helmet, and the new country mixed out with Get It Done. And I think we also have a new show coming with Robbie Flower. Yep, that's right. Robbie Flower will be here, man, and it's going to be off, and that's for all our other friends, and we'll get into that later because it's not quite finished what we're going to do. So, on that note, Half Dead, won't you take it over and finish this out and get to the fucking Slayer? Thanks, Robbie Bobby, man. That was awesome for you to come in and check us out here on the Sounds of Saturday. We were going to get right to the fucking music. Hey, man, no? Man, who is that guy, man? No? Alright, well, here we go. This is it. All you metal maniacs, fucking Slayer.